Good morning. My name is Manikant. I am from Aeronautical A. Now I am going to say about surroundings, boundaries, and universe of thermodynamics. So, what is thermodynamics? The study of change in energy associated with physical and chemical reactions is called as thermodynamics. In general, it is a study of effect of work, heat, and energy on system. In particular, it describes about how thermal energy is converted to other forms of energy and how it affects matter. And this is what about thermodynamics. Surroundings, except everything, everything, except system, except system, everything is known as surroundings. The system is part of the universe being studied, while the surroundings is the remnant of the universe that lies outside the boundaries of the system. The environment is ignored in analysis of the system except in regards to these interactions. So see this is a realistic system, uh, and this is boundary, and other than the system is known as the surroundings. Boundary, the surface that separates the system and its surroundings. It can be a surface of a physically object or imaginary surface in space. A boundary is closed surface surrounding a system through which energy and a mass may enter or leave the system. So this is a boundary of the mechanical engine. This is the boundary of a mechanical engine where this is the system, the thermodynamic system. Boundaries are of four types: fixed, movable, real, and imaginary. For example, in an engine, a fixed boundary means that the piston is locked and at its positions within which a constant volume might occur. If the piston is allowed to move, the boundary is movable, where the cylinder and the cylinder head boundaries are fixed. For a closed system, boundaries are real, while for open systems, boundaries are often imaginary. So see this system. This is the movable piston. So the boundary can expand and the boundary is movable. And this is the surroundings and this is the observable system, which undergoes a compression or expansion due to this boundary, movable boundary. So universe is a combination of both system and surroundings. So consider this round bottom flask with some fluid that is known as a concentrating part or the observation part, and that is known as a system. And other than that is known as the surroundings. So surroundings are always contact with the system, and this is known as the universe. This is a pictorial representation on a paper. This is system, and other than the system, it's known as the boundary. And the interaction of the system and the surroundings is known as the boundary. And this total constitute as an universe. The combined energy in the system and the surroundings is constant. This says that the energy of the system and the energy of the surroundings is constant because it's the total energy of the universe. Energy can flow between these two, but the total energy is constant. Thus, we talk about the system plus surroundings as the universe. This is a pictorial representation on a paper. This is a system, and other than the system is known as the surroundings. The interaction part of the system and the surroundings is known as the boundary, and this total constitutes as an universe. Thank you. Thank you so much.